Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome to another video. So today is Thursday, the day before Elisa starts school, and I have the biggest headache in the world. We all just got ready. Elisa and Isa are basically ready to leave the house. I'm ready to leave the house and put shoes on, but now I don't feel like going anywhere because suddenly I have this really bad headache and it's just staying. I've taken some painkillers but it's still there. But yeah, Elisa is starting big school reception. She's gonna be in reception. How crazy is that? Tomorrow, which is very exciting. I'm very excited and she is very excited, so yes, I'm really looking forward to having a little bit more time to get things done, being able to have a little bit of a schedule again, just kind of having a little bit of normality to life again after this crazy lockdown that's happened. I feel like lockdown was quite a blessing where we got to spend time with the kids and it was just like this crazy thing that we all experienced together, and it was like a good thing to happen. But I feel like now that it's kind of like simmered down a little bit, I'm ready to get back to normality and just get back to living life like normal, really. I feel like the kids going back to school is like the start of a new kind of way of life kind of thing, because obviously everything is not going to be the same. It's going to be a new experience for everybody. For example, like dropping Elisa off at school, parents are not allowed to go in, so we're going to have to drop them at the gate and be like, bye, see you later, which I'm not complaining about because I feel like it's better for them. Like, I don't know about other children, but Elisa is kind of, she just likes to do her own thing when she's in school. So she's like, bye mom, don't want to know you anymore. She just wants to get on with it. So yeah, I do feel like this dropping off at the gate is kind of a good thing. Good. Leave it. What are you doing? You just put that on. You want to take it off? You want to take it off?
No.
What do you want to do? Put your hood up.
No.
Don't know what he wants. But because I've been feeling really crap today, I've literally just put Bing on for them and they're just sitting there watching Bing right now until I can figure out what we're going to do, because I just don't feel like doing anything right now because my head is hurting and they are being very difficult today. If I had a headache and they were being alright, then I'd take them out, but I have a really bad headache, so I really don't want to. Elisa's here to tell us a little bit about how she feels about going back to school. How are you feeling about starting big school? How are you feeling?
That was good.
That meant good, okay. And are you excited to meet new people and new friends? Yeah? And your new teachers? Yeah? That means yes. And what are you most excited about?
Play.
Playing.
I can't wait.
What can't you wait for?
Playing with Miney Manny.
And playing with Miney Manny. I don't know if you'll be able to play with Miney Manny. You might see them a few times, but I don't think you'll be able to play with them all the time because they're in big classes and you're in a small class. But you'll have lots of friends. You'll meet lots of new people, lots of new friends. Is that exciting?
But I'm gonna play with Miney Manny.
Yeah, you can play with them too, but just remember that you're gonna make new friends as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna make new friends.
Yeah, how exciting.
We're gonna aim for Elisa.
But anyway, we are gonna go and decide what we're gonna do because I have no idea. What do you want to do? What do you want to do today?
Go shopping.
Go shopping? Why? You like going shopping?
Yeah.
What do you like about going shopping?
Buy toys.
Maybe you don't buy toys all the time.
Mom, can you buy toys? One toy for me and one toy for Isa.
No. Because you have to get rid of toys before we buy more, remember?
I'm gonna get rid of them right now.
Okay, she's gonna go find some toys she wants to get rid of so she can get a new one. We'll see. Go on, go on. We'll see. So I was just lying on the sofa for ages trying to get rid of this horrible headache. It's still slightly there, but it's a little bit better. We've just decided that we're gonna go because we need to get out and get some food stuff for the house. So we're gonna just go and do that.
Ouch.
And yeah, hopefully Issa will fall asleep so it'll be easier for me. So we have just parked up outside of Morrison's, and then there's B&M over here, and there's also Marks and Spencer's, which is where I want to go because I've just been so disappointed in fruit and veg from Aldi recently. So I kind of just want to get some fruit and veg from here because every time I've had fruit and veg from here it's been so nice and fresh. So I thought I would try it from here again. So yeah, Issa's awake. Elisa is, what are you doing?
We're playing a game with colours that we have to tell each other.
Yeah, so she's making us do a colour game where she says you have to tell me the colour of something and what it is. Yeah.
My turn.
Go on then.
I see something that is white and grey.
White and grey, what is it?
It is a lamp.
A lamppost. Cool.
Mom,
My turn.
look at the side of your window.
Oh yeah,
That
look at
one.
that. I see something that is orange and blue.
And you have to tell me what it is.
Do you know what it is?
It is that.
What is it? The sign?
Yep.
Yeah. Yay! Anyway, we're gonna go into M&S now. I'm not gonna go to B&M, guys. Be proud of me. So just finished in Morrison's, and I just thought I would show you this quickly before I leave them in the car because these are going to go in my glove box because I'm so sad about all of my sweets getting stolen out of my car. So I bought some refreshers, and these are vegan, so they're halal. Also drumsticks, like how crazy is that? So I bought 2 of each, 4 for £1, so got those. I'll show you everything else when we get home, which will be in like 2 minutes. Issa fell asleep, by the way. Elisa's eating a unicorn ice lolly. Have you finished it yet?
Yeah.
You finished it? Oh, that was quick. Okay, we're gonna get back before all the frozen stuff defrosts. So we're back home now, and I thought I would do a little haul before I put everything away. So let's do the frozen stuff. What's in that, baby? So as usual, starting with the frozen stuff, we got some chicken nuggets. And then I got some chicken grills, peri-peri ones. No idea what these are going to be like, but we can see 4 of them for £1, so I don't know, we'll see. And then we got some ice creams, of course. We got these bubblegum lollies. And then Elisa just had one of these, but these are the Sprinkle Pops unicorn ones, and they're just like mini milks with sprinkles on. By the way, these all have vegetarian signs on. I'm so shocked about the Aldi ones. I did not even think twice to look at them because they're just mini milks. Who would ever think that there's beef gelatine in mini milks? I also realised that nobody ate any of them because there was 8 of them in the freezer. Anyway, got some of these Fab Epic, whatever they want to be called. And then we got some of these frosty fruit lollies. These ones are just like these normal kind of fruity ones. I haven't had these for ages. I used to love the lemon ones. Is it lemon? Blackcurrant, pineapple and orange. Ugh, I hate pineapple. And then the last ice creams that we got were these ones. These are like the unicorn ones, but they're dinosaur ones, and they're just chocolate flavoured ones with sprinkles on. The last thing I got were these alphabet bites, just potatoes things for the kids' dinner. I got some raspberries. I got these halal bear slices. They're just like chicken or turkey sausage slices. So they are good for sandwiches. I got some wildlife yogurts, 2 packets of those. And then I got some cheese string. What's it? 2 packets of cheese and onion crisps. Elisa is obsessed with cheese and onion. Pears, apples, finger chilies, courgettes, pain au chocolat, some bourbons, bagels. Oh my gosh guys, look what I found. I saw these online and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get some of those when I see them. These are reduced to £1, so I was like, perfect timing. Party rings, mini wraps, and Elisa really wants to have a movie night, so we got some popcorn. And that's everything that I got from Morrison's. Moving on to M&S now. I got this really cute loaf of bread, which is going to be for our lunch today. It's cheese, what is it? Extra mature cheddar and red Leicester cob. Mmm, yum. You can have that with soup. Do you guys like soup? I don't think you've ever had soup. I got some bananas, Percy pigs, peppers, spring onions. More Percy pigs. These are the piglet ones, the little tiny mini ones. Onions, tomatoes, some seedless red grapes, Greek style yogurt. And in the last bag we have carrots, this crazy looking pasta which Elisa chose, eggs, cherry tomatoes, and then we got some mini Colin the Caterpillar faces, which I like the best bit of Colin the Caterpillar, so why not get a bag of them. But that is everything I got from Morrison's and M&S. So I'm gonna go put all of the stuff away. We're just trying out this bread and oh my god, look at this. It's got cheese inside it. I thought it was just on the outside, but yum. I've got a cup of coffee. The kids are just settling down to watch. They've chosen to watch True. Elisa chose it. Isa is just throwing popcorn, so Elisa's getting mad. Isa, you don't need to throw the popcorn. Look at this mess you've made. Look, eat it up the sofa.
Mom, hold the popcorn, please.
They've also got some sweeties. They've got some little piggies and some caterpillar faces. By the way, the piggies are halal. Don't worry about it. But these ones are like 4 different colours. How cute. This is probably the worst idea ever. Can you hear the regret in my voice? So we just got in the car and we're about to head to my mum's house. We're gonna go and eat some Brazilian chicken and yummy food. Elisa's having some more sweeties. That's all she ever does, eat sweets. At my mom's house now. Hanifa's here. She just said mine.
She said mom.
Man.
Okay, this is
What is mummy doing to you? What is mummy doing to you?
She was on the same one.
Go on then.
another one. No, it's not the same. Yes. Yes. Mommy's turn. Donkey and donkey.
So me and Hanifa are cooking. We're cooking Brazilian chicken. I'm just opening some cans of tomatoes and some coconut milk. And we're going to be having some yummy food in a little bit. Me and Hanifa are just so excited for the weekend, aren't we, Hanifa?
Yeah.
She hasn't got a scarf on, so you can't see her. There she is. But yeah, we're so excited. Me and Hanifa are going to Manchester. We're gonna go with my other sister Tot, and we are gonna go with 2 of Hanifa's friends who are basically like our friends now as well.
Stop claiming my friends to be around.
Mate, if you don't want me to claim your friends, don't make them come on a holiday with me, okay? Don't make me like them. Tell me bad things about them. Hanifa is so lazy. She won't blend this. She'll just chop it with a knife.
Sophia needs to embrace the lazy girl life.
I don't use cans.
If you agree, then comment down below. The Saf needs to chill out and just stop doing the most in life.
But I don't. I just do things the way I like to do them.
You do the most, and that's why you're always stressed out and anxious.
I'm not always stressed out and anxious. It's only like 95% of the time.
Sorry. Look, see that? They're perfect. Perfect. And they're going to blend down anyway, so there's no need to get a blender out. Wash everything up.
Lazy life. Hashtag lazy life. Anyway, let me show you what's going on.
Comment down below. Hashtag lazy life.
That should be your hashtag, Hanifa. So we've got the chicken cooking with all the spices on over here. And then in here, onions, tomatoes. 1 or 2, I don't know. I didn't open 2 just in case you thought that was enough. Onions, tomatoes and peppers in here. And then we're going to put them both together when it's all done. Also, coconut milk is going to go in here too. We're about to eat. Hi David. You're right. David just went to the shop to get some, let me show you. I'm not allowed to say the word because the kids. Get your butt on the chair and eat. Is your dinner yummy? Eat it! Don't throw it! Why does it do this? It's so annoying. Is a little bit later. We have eaten dinner, cleaned up the kitchen, and now I'm about to get the kids ready for bed. It's 8:30, guys. Elisa's got school tomorrow, and I didn't realise how late it was. The kids are gonna get ready for bed now, and then we're gonna head straight off. And they'll fall asleep in the car. So yeah, that's what's going on. Hanifa, the food is very yummy. Do you want to be in my vlog? Hanifa's here now. Hi. We're very excited about. What are we excited about this weekend?
And your subscribers said such a lovely thing.
I got a lollipop.
You get the lollipop.
Yeah, that was very cute. I'm not gonna start my own YouTube because I'm too lazy. Hashtag lazy. What was it?
Hashtag lazy life.
Hashtag lazy life.
But you'll see a lot of her this weekend. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog now because I'm just gonna go home and that's it. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Assalamu alaikum. Cow.